What does a black hole really sound like? NASA didn't fake it. They actually recorded one. In 2003, astronomers studying the Perseus galaxy cluster found pressure waves rippling through hot gas, caused by the supermassive black hole at its center. Those ripples are literally sound waves, moving through space's thin plasma. The waves vibrate at about 57 octaves below middle C, far too deep for human hearing. So NASA shifted the pitch upward into our audible range. When you listen to it, that eerie hum, you're actually hearing real data, sound from 250 million light years away, stretched and amplified from X-ray observations. Space isn't silent. Even black holes make the universe resonate, just at frequencies we can't feel.